guys, my name is Steve with Pacific. I'm here with Alex. We just gave him the award for the highest residential sales as a Pacific franchise. Alex has been a franchise with Pacific for about 8 years. He's a multi-unit franchise, so it means he runs multiple trucks. So this is his 3rd year in a row getting this award. So Alex, how does like the Pacific system help you on a day-to-day basis? You know, how did we kind of help you, get these sales?
Actually, it's been very helpful from the company, from the office. They help me for the schedule, they help me for the appointments, and my work is just to go out in the field. It's not my worry about it like for everything else. I take the truck, I look my list, and that's very helpful.
Right, yeah, because behind the scenes we do all the scheduling, all the phone calls, customers, the estimates come in, we help coordinate it. So in the morning you just kind of hop in your truck, look at your thing, and then you go and you deal with some good stuff, some problems with systems, and you fix it and you go about your day. So
that's
all right, man. Well, congratulations, 3 years in a row. That's a big award.
Thank you very much. So happy working with you.
Great. Thank you.